to treat you like this, bro. Takes your women.
Hey, but
You try to get a straight girl, he takes. Treats you like crap, man. And
So, Musa Khawula uzenenye, guys. It is alleged that the president of the EFF, Julius Malema's marriage is over. It is said that his wife, namely Mantwa Matlala, filed for the divorce. So the couple was married in 2014 and they seemed happy, but Julius was caught in cheating allegations with the slave queen. Apparently, the girl's name is Unta and she's Eddie Muswedi's ex. Eddie Muswedi is the guy who seems to be funding most of Johannesburg Betty's lifestyles. So it is alleged that Julius Malema rented a flat. Yes, he rented her a flat and bought her a G-Wagon. Oh, man. In the recent episodes of Podcast and Chill, Besino Kenubunene, and he also mentioned how Julius always take girls from them, meaning from the crew, from everybody around. So obviously, a guy obviously cheat. What is worse is that Julius it is also alleged that he has a child outside of marriage to a woman named Utumi Russell. So, and ingane yakhona ingane kuneminyaka yemshado. So it's a child that was conceived during the marriage. So this man is just doing the most. Skaka.